What if I tell you there's a way to buy without paying interests and still stay in control of your budget? In this video, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit maganda ang China Bank Credit Card Installment at kung paano mo siya magagamit as an effective financial tool. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. And in this video, I will teach you and guide you how to become smarter in managing your money, especially your credit card and your loans. Let us start with the most important and exciting feature of the China Bank credit card, the installment feature. Sa China Bank, pwede kang bumili ng item with partner merchants and bayaran ito in monthly installment without paying any interest. Pwede mong bayaran ito in 12 months at 1,000 pesos per month. Walang dagdag na interest. This is very effective and very helpful sa ating lahat dahil hindi tayo nagbabayad ng extra just because pinili natin ang installment. So instead of one-time, big-time cash out, nahahati siya into manageable payments. And this is an advantage from this credit card, budget control. Yes, instead of one-time, big expense, ginagawa mong predictable monthly payment. And this is one of the best uses of credit cards. You control your cash flow. For example, instead of paying 24,000 agad, pwede mong i-keep ang cash mo and then pay 2,000 pesos monthly through your credit card. So, hindi ubos ang pera mo at kung may emergency, may mahuhugot ka. That is why installment, it's not just about paying in monthly basis. It is about managing your money in a smart way. Another good thing is flexibility. China Bank offers installment terms like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, or even 24 months. And sometimes, there's a promo extending up to 36 months. So, ikaw ang mamimili. Short term, mas malaki ang monthly payment mo, pero maigsi lang yung panahon para magbayad ka. Mas madali mong matapos yung utang mo. While long term, mas maliit lamang ang monthly payment mo, pero mas mahaba naman yung panahon ng pagbabayad mo. So, choice mo pa rin. Ano ba ang kaya mong i-commit? Long term or short term? This gives you control based on your financial situation. Now, here is another great thing about China Bank credit cards. Even if nakalimutan mong mag-installment sa store, pwede mo pa rin siyang gawin later because China Bank allows transaction conversion. Meaning, you can convert straight purchases into installment up to 24 months. So, hindi ka lock-in sa isang decision. May flexibility ka even after bumili. Here is another advantage, affordability. Installment makes expensive items more accessible. Instead of waiting months or years to save para mabili mo yung gusto mo, you can already purchase the item now while paying gradually. And this is especially used for gadgets, appliances, and home essentials. And since may 0% interest option, hindi ka lugi as long as disciplined ka. At eto pa, China Bank doesn't only offer one type of installment. Dahil meron silang number 1, merchant installment, which is 0% interest. Next, meron silang transaction conversion after you purchase. And next, card installment. Convert credit to cash up to 36 months. So, may option ka depending sa needs mo. Hindi ka limitado sa isang sistema. So, overall, China Bank installment is powerful if used correctly. Yun naman talaga ang pinaka-secret, hindi lang dito sa China Bank credit cards, kundi sa lahat ng mga credit cards sa iba't ibang bangko. And this, emphasis lang, it helps you manage your cash flow, avoid big expense, and even enjoy 0% interest. So now, do you plan to apply for a China Bank credit card? Finally, sana nasagot ko ang query ng ating mga subscribers, especially kay JD05 na nag-ask tungkol sa China Bank with regards to their installment program. Alright, so dyan po tayo nagtatapos for our content for today. Maraming salamat. So if you have any query, please comment down below and I'll go back to your queries as soon as I can. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood. For those who are present every time na meron tayong video uploaded, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel natin, please subscribe and always tap the notification bell down there so that lagi kang updated at notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. And always remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!